of
Olwalero akulira ekitongole kya Uganda Revenue Authority Doris Akol akulembeddemu banne nate okugasimbagana n'akakiiko akabuliriza ku bitongole bya gavumenti. Ensonga enoonyerezebwako ennaku zino yeekwatagana n'ensimbi ez'akasiimo obuwumbi 6 ezaweebwa abakungu ba gavumenti olw'okusinga omusango gw'amafuta.
if we have documentary evidence.
Ali Sekatawa ng'ono yamyuka akulira ebyamateeka mu kitongole kya URA ategeezezza nga bw'atakimanyiiko nti obuwumbi 6 bwali bwakusasula abakozi abatali mu ttulu bali abasomesa mu kitongole kino oba bayite non-teaching staff. Sekatawa wamu ne Doris Akol akulira ekitongole kino bagamba nti Ministry y'ebyensimbi nabo tebamanyi bino gye yabijja.
Did you ever seek a supplementary budget for this case?
That request was not originating from URA. That request originated from the Ministry of Finance. We would like to request the Honourable Committee to ask the Ministry of Finance what they were considering in making the request as they did.
Kuchokuba obanga kasimo kano abakafuna be bali basaanidde aba URA bagamba nti bawaabo abaliko kye bakola. Kyokka ababaka beewunyizza lwaki bwe baatuuka mu ngabana emiwendo gyayawukana.
This was a team reward, but not an individual reward.
Doris Akol ababaka bamutadde ku nninga annyonnyole obanga tekyalaga mu luluguyitiridde okubanga ye yajjukiza omukulembeze w'eggwanga akasiimo ate era n'afuna ensimbi ennyingi okugeraageranya n'abantu abalala.
The President has initiated a reward because you have performed very well, you have used extraordinary skills. Why are you justifying how much and why he should give you that money?
The President had the powers and the prerogative under those 2 articles to reward.
The firm was hired in London, fully paid for. So what business do you have again rewarding yourself? Yet there was a formal payment for a law firm to do the work.
Abakera bebuuzizza obanga ddala waaliwo okuwoza gavumenti n'ewangula omusango oba kwali kukkaanya ne be baawaabira nga n'olwekyo akasiimo kaali tekeetaagisa.
Which case exactly we won and into which terms according to the court's judgment? Because there is contrary information we are getting from London that we actually did not win any case. You opted for a settlement.
The references which are attached refer to our rulings, the ones in Tax Appeals Tribunal, the High Court, and the one of Justice Patton. But the actual award, the detail of it is with the Attorney General.
Not even talk about our concept. I'm a lawyer of some sizable standing. You cannot tell me that they quote concepts without reading the case. You mean they make reference to cases and rumors?
It was filed by Heritage Oil and Gas Limited against the Republic of Uganda, which is the subject of from which the presidential handshake was given, was won by the government of the Republic of Uganda. Details of the amounts and those will be given by the Attorney General.
Kizuuliddwa era nti abamu ku baali emabega w'okulondamu abaliko kye baakola mu musango guno bafune akasiimo bwe baalekebwa ebbali ng'okugabana kutuuse.
The meetings you attended in URA, can you list the persons who were involved?
Allen Kajina
Okay.
was involved. The board secretary, who was then Jennifer Mosisi, attended some of those meetings. Then there was Doris Akol, who was the assistant commissioner in charge of policy, rulings and board affairs. I remember also Ali was there. The commissioner domestic taxes was.
Our only problem is there is some name we are seeing and we don't see him at the end of the process.
I didn't come up with that list of beneficiaries. It wasn't
did
my
Mr. Bernard
responsibility.
Sanya play a role?
He played a role because his even name appears on the assessment.
Thank you.
So even during probably the negotiation discussions, he could have played a role. That is what I'm saying.
Akakiiko kano kaakuddamu emirimu gyako olunaku lw'enkya era nga bagenda kusisinkana abakungu b'ekitongole ky'omusolo omulundi ogusembayo oluvannyuma basinkane abantu abalala omuli n'abakungu mu ofiisi y'omubalizi w'ebitabo bya gavumenti.